Here is how to make a channel like this. This channel gets 369,000 views per day on average and makes up to 484,000 per year in ad revenue. First, you clone your voice, then you add it to your AI generated video, and following this method, you can quickly have your own faceless YouTube channel like this. And check this out, these videos are crazy high quality.
Today, we're going to discuss the simplest exercises to get you there. These straightforward workouts are perfect for anyone looking to improve their leg strength.
This sounded like me, but this was actually not my voice. This was AI cloned voice. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make videos like this with just a few clicks cloning your own voice. All right, step one. Step one is to clone your own voice. And to do that, you need to go into InVideo AI. The link to it is just in the description below. And then under plugins, go to voices and click add voice. From here, you need to upload a file, either video or audio, at least 30 seconds long. And you need to mention, I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice. Make sure that you make some natural pauses in between the sentences and use high quality recording equipment. So ideally an external microphone, or you can also do it on your mobile phone. Once you've created the file and uploaded that file, you will be able to clone your voice. And that's exactly how I've just cloned my voice, and listen to my voice in this video.
Upright throughout the movement. Lunges target the quadriceps, but also engage the glutes.
Doesn't it sound like me? I mean, this is crazy. It really sounds like me. The power of being able to clone your own voice is insane. Tools like ElevenLabs generally give you a selection of pre-made voices, and it's quite easy to tell that they are synthesized AI voices. The power to clone your own voice, though, is insane because it means that you can quickly produce unique videos that will sound exactly like you, and you can make 50 videos a day, 100 videos a day that will all be super high quality using your own voice. Step 2, creating the video. Under voices, go to the voice that you've just cloned and click use. And here you can give a prompt to InVideo AI about what type of video you would like to create. Let's give it a prompt that says, make a 3-minute YouTube video about the foods that increase metabolism, make it funny, keep the language simple, use upbeat music, make the voiceover upbeat, and under settings, you can see that I've put in use my voice 1 Greg. So let's click generate video and let's see the result. In this next prompt, let's choose a few more options. Audience, health enthusiasts sounds correct. Look and feel, let's say we want it bright, that's fine. And platform, YouTube, so that's perfect. Let's click continue. So our video is ready, let's preview it.
How is it possible that your friend eats a whole pizza and doesn't gain an ounce, but you just gaze at a salad and feel like you've added a few pounds?
This is amazing. The voice sounds so much like me. Of course, it has a slightly different accent, but it really does sound like me. Step 3, applying the final edits. So once you've got this draft of the video, you can actually use this command here at the bottom to tell it in plain English terms exactly what you would like to have edited within the video. For example, I can tell it to add subtitles with 1 word at a time and click generate, and let's preview it. You can see InVideo AI has added these subtitles here showing just 1 word at a time. You can also give it other commands, just type in what you would like done. Let's say start the video with a joke and change the music to something faster, click generate. All right, so let's see the outcomes of this latest round of edits.
Why did the salad go to the gym? Because it wanted to work on its peels and carrot about its metabolism.
Okay, that joke was a little bit weird, but maybe we'll remove that. But anyway, as you can see, it did change the music to something faster, and it did insert the joke as we requested it to. Another cool way that you can customize this video after it's done is to click edit, and you can actually see that you can manually change the whole script. So you can click edit script and you can change the text that is being read by your cloned voice. And if you do that and you click apply, then InVideo AI will actually find matching footage, and you can also then edit the media. So you can choose each of these scenes, you can see what text it corresponds to, and then you can choose within the media library, you can choose exactly what footage you would like to show there. So let's say if I wanted to substitute this footage of broccoli, I can just click here and let's see what other footage of broccoli InVideo AI has for us. And if I prefer this clip of broccoli instead, I can just click replace, apply changes, and it will insert that footage instead. So let's see where that footage ended up. Okay, so you can see that now it's replaced that bit of footage with our new bit of footage that we've selected. If you like your creation and you want to download, you can just go to the export section and click export video. Here you can choose your publishing options, However, do note that to remove the watermarks, you need to be on a Plus plan. If you're serious about your video creation and you want to actually make a business out of it, then I highly recommend that you grab the Plus plan or the Max plan. I am on a Plus plan with InVideo myself. You can see that with the free video plan, you can generate the video so you can kind of give it a good test drive. But if you want to then export and use it on your channel and you want to remove the watermarks, then you need to have either a Plus or a Max plan. Very importantly, with the Plus plan, you not only get access to the 2 voice clones that I've shown you in this video, but you also of course get access to all the other premium features of InVideo AI. The Plus plan will remove the watermarks and it will give you access to all of the stock footage and images and videos that InVideo AI has. You'll find the link to InVideo AI just in the description below, and for now I will just attach the sample of the video that we've produced together. It was all made with InVideo AI, so enjoy.
How is it possible that your friend eats a whole pizza and doesn't gain an ounce, but you just gaze at a salad and feel like you've added a few pounds? It might not be your love for salad, but rather your metabolism playing tricks on you. Metabolism is simply the process by which your body turns what you eat and drink into energy. Surprisingly, there are some foods that can actually kick your metabolism into gear. So, don't lose heart. Let's delve into some of these foods that promise to give your metabolism a much needed boost. First up on our list is green tea, the Hulk of metabolism boosters. It's green, it's powerful, and it's ready to smash those calories. Just like our favorite giant green superhero, green tea packs a powerful punch when it comes to boosting metabolism. Its secret weapon? A compound called EGCG that fires up the fat-burning furnace in your body. So go on, brew a cup and let the Hulk do his magic.